Kani kedai kedudasyan Meghalaya bagi pediang sengabai pi baro syakatup kubor mentagajan mit. Syuaban pai syaki kubor ki babniak ini pechwa yakimat bakongsan. Ke-election Syaki District Council Khasi Hills bat Chanta Hills kala yok lum ya kejing wan pep ward kababun kabalong nyau po ar point sausan na kisispa ha GHADC bat prapo ar point nyau lai na kisispa ha GHADC. Lapan long biang ya kejing pep ward ha south li ki polling booth ha East Chanta Hills sakhi ya kejing don kinong pep ward kabapalat prapo na kisispa. Penpau Menteri Kesorkan Pedeng Pabitra Margarita ia gayok kekuat ke Meghalaya hakajing penpena badang shen ia kamang tingka usnem arhajar arpusan Kesorkan Pedeng. Bat kentait ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee banya trelang bat ke National People's Party ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Kikubor kibabnia ka election badang shudapshan jangka district council ha Khasi Hills bat Chanta Hills kala yok lum ya kejingken jangki nong wan tap ward kabalong nyau po ar point sausan na ka shispa ha GHADC bat prapo ar point nyau lai na ka shispa ha GHADC kaching tap ward kala long kabayat bet yai renti wat lada ladon kaching kolmar ba malumala ibakan top ya kaching syak thambor ha ki polling station bat kaching penpra ya ki EVM ha artali ki constituency ka GHADC kani ka election kala sakhi ya kaching yakun chong al spa nyopo arngut ki kartong na kabenta ki syuki ha kaba shispa san poprangut ki kartong ki yakun ha GHADC bat shispa khat sangut ha GHADC kan nong spung so yong kala yo chingken kababun tam kinong wan tap vote kabalong prapo rio point not nyo na ka shispa katba ka cirang kalalong ka constituency kabaduna tam kata sanpawai point sound rio na ka shispa ka election GHADC ru kalamat ikijing penkulmar ki patba bat kaching pendu ikikor EVM ha artali ki constituency katkum kaching ajing tip jong u district council affairs
in the Khasi Hills Autonomous
seral we di dingdo
parties are all have left their polling stations and are on their way to the receiving stations. Some of them have also arrived at the receiving centres. So in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, in all the districts, there was no report of any incidents of violence or any issues. The poll was conducted peacefully in all the Khasi Hills districts. So the district administration is taking due care. There is no report of any injury to anyone. All people are safe, except that the EVM has been damaged. So on account of the EVM being damaged, we have ordered a repoll.
Lapan long biang ya kaching tap wood ha East Chanta Hills hen legacy hadian jang kaching sha penjulor jang kor EVM daki patba ha musnyang rangat bat batau la kedong constituency ki polling booth ki bala sha thombor ki don kam ya kaching tap wood ka bathamai knang ban pentikna ya kaching khut jang ka election lapan klan ya ki bor pahara ha kan ya kaching tap wood biang ka bala pen long nadu kapor nyo buje men step hadu saw buje janmin ki don baro khandai spa at pawingut ki bawan tap wood ha wapung skor A polling station katba khandai spa nyopu prangut pat ha wapung skor B nrio spa san khandai ngut ha batau A bat nrio spa nyopu prangut ha batau B polling station.
GHADC election in our district, there were total 4 incidents where EVM was damaged by a group of people. So after that, the security in both Wapung School village and Batao village where these incidents happened was beefed up, and also the RO went there, and at the spot they decided to adjourn the poll yesterday, and the report was submitted to district council, based on which the government ordered the repoll today. So today we have started the repoll on time. The polling time is from 7 am to 4 am. Right now polling is going on peacefully and full security deployment is also there. We have also imposed curfew in both the Wapung School village and Batao village. So I think today the voting will be peaceful, and we are ready for any kind of scenario. We are fully ready with all the security. Both the ROs and the magistrates are also here to respond to any kind of situation.
Menteri Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng Upabitra Margarita ula banjur halor ke jingkentiu ya ka roi kapar ke jela Meghalaya ha ke jing penpena badangshen ya ka mangtingka usnam arhajar arpusan ke Sarkar Pedeng ula ong ba ke jingkentiu ya ki grant bat ki skim sarkar ketemu ban kentiu ya ka yok ka kwat ka bakentop ya ke jing ai jingkershan ya ki MSME ha ka than Margarita ula grant ru halor ki project ki badang pentrei kom ki surok ki jaka jengok kai bat ki projek shna yeng building ki bala bay tingka da ka sarkar NDA ki kendon jangka mang tingka ki thmuru ban pentikana ki jingyo jing mentoy ya baro ki than ki bakan thop ya ka than chatai la mingi na ka roi ka par jangkari ula kedoru baki brio ki baduk ki basa ki jaka sor ka jela ken yo jing mentoy na ka ni ka mang tingka ka bathamai ka senjam ka ban penkala ya ka jela shaka viksit Meghalaya ka ba yo jing kershan na ki ni ki kampen roi
Our journey to make Meghalaya a Biksit Meghalaya, to make our India a Biksit Bharat. The four key engines are agriculture for rural prosperity, MSMEs for entrepreneurship and job creation. You know, MSMEs are a driving force of our economy, our livelihood. In investment for infrastructure and innovation, and exports for global competitiveness and economic growth.
Working President ka MPCC uba penshingan NCM ulakan taj bandan kum kanu ka cinga trilang jong ka seng bat ke NPP ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hadian jong ka election. Uba CM uba Hashwa ula shimti bantre kum usembut CM hapo ka executive ka balalam da ka NPP ula ong ba buan na ginong tre jong ka seng bat ki pajba jong ka jela ki persya ya kani ula batay ba kanu ka cinga te lok hadian jong ka election ka syong ha ka jingken bat na ka result ka banmi ha ka arpo saw tarik urempang ha ka bayade bat ka jing terwa syajiet biang ka jong u na maukar pentor umkra uba CM ula kentaj halor kanu ka jing kersyan ya ka seng VPP lani UDP ula ong ba ka jing shemti biang ka long ka kam ya ka kam CEM ka syong ha ka jing don jigi MDC ki banjab na ka seng jong u
kumbaga pau sebar kamba idhan na kanun ka threat na DPP ni na kaliang UDP tingam ti pada sa kataka silent boot lam nang batay kandai kumbaga pau sebar te kadi ni ni sa kabanta na inda idhan kan bandon ka umaya nga na kabanta kaniga election namarwa nimba idhan ya ka whips juga UDP ni ka whip juga DPP maka whips ka DPP ka compare mentang bandon swa pergan DPP kumbaga long haka surbabun balang ka pausay na kaliang koy party workers na kaliang koy bubun di pagbarang susunod kata ti inda don suka interest bantai lang
hadian ka jingkolmar jong palat saw phongut kinong shnong jong ka shnong lat meri ka bahap hapo ka mairang constituency ha Eastern West Khasi Hills ki bala sha kentaj ban pendan kam ya ka hok ban thep ya ka wot changki na ka benta ki election sha ki HADC ha ka sngi thoding klem da yo jingtep bala penkala ya ka jaka thep wot ka deputy commissioner ka Eastern West Khasi Hills district ikong Anita Kharpor ila ai ka jing penchai ha ka ba ila ong bala hab ban pen kenria no ya ka jaka thep wot namar ka jing snio palat jong kani ka school ha ka bala bu ya ka jaka thep wot hashwa jong kani ka sngi ila banjur bala dep pentip sha baro kinong shnong halor kani ka jing penkala
Vote no ki bahasa halat miri nong kete mau sawa ding shit te baros kata ki tap vote haka polling station ka barit Henry ketua school kala nang jot ki basic facilities kum ka kala ru kala long challenging hang tu te na kapor ka sarkar ka shat le assessment ya ki polling station barok ki dang bit ang biang ne ban pen ne kilayo approval na ka ECI bakin shift no mo bakin relocate no shakanika nokte manai LP school halat miri
ka jingwanra jong ka Meghalaya ya lai phau tali ki bus stems kalong ban penduna ya ke jing khapnya hanong ba shilong da ka ba wengno ya ki lai phau tali ki kali jong ki riu shimet ha ka we ka bus da ka jing pentre kam menta ya riu phau tali ki bus la khmi lanti ba kani ke jing thmu kan penduna ya ke jing don jong ki kali hasurok da komba 6000 praspa tali ka jing shakri jong kani ka kali kala yo ke jing ro ha ka ba ki kmi ki kpa bat ki khna school ki la sngo thu ya ke jing mentoi jong ka baro lai phau tali ki lanti ya bala bu kerpang kila dapura bat ka sarkar kadang perkhat ban penyar ya kani ke jing thmu shakawei pat ki sor kum ka jawai bat tura wat la ke jing shakri ka long ka bachap ki don ru ki jing e namar ba ki lenti shaki school ki long ki barin ka sarkar kadang wat kilat ki lenti ban pendon kam da ki kali ki ba khamret ban weng ki jing e ha ki ba penyang ya ki kali
very clear indication that the demand is increasing, and there should be in future, obviously this will go even more. So I request parents to think about this, that the kind of impact, it is absolutely safe, and these kind of features nowhere in the country I have seen any kind of school bus services providing. And there are other benefits, of course, the whole city will benefit out of less congestion. So all these factors should be considered, and I'm sure in the future more people will come on board and STEMs will go on getting more and more buses.
Haka jing tmu banya kun persha iki kambi an ka Shillong Cantonment Board rengkat gejing atrelang bat ki pulet jung ke East Khasi Hills kan penlong ya gejing jurep haki kam pahara ban lap iki jaka bajur bha gejing khayi drok bat ki we ki kambi an kani gejing tmu ka kenthop ya gejing bu ya ki CCTV kamera hagi jaka ba kongsan ban khampet bha gejing pet ngon ki board senchar ki dang bishar bania ru ya ki lat chingarap pisa ki bala ban yo kenthop ya ka pisa jong ka smart city ban beitingka ya kani project ya kani ke jing thmu an pentrekam ha ki rukom ba pher da ka bas dang shwa da ke jing churep ye ki chaka ki ba kham don jingma ki ken huan pahara ken penlong ye ki jing churep lang ban pentikna ye ki jing pentrekam ka ba paka ya kani ka project ka thong ka long ban ken tiu ye ki jing shngan jing ki pat ba bat ban pentrekam ye ka an ha po ki chaka ki ba hap ha po ke Shillong Cantonment.
Been multiple instances of drug trafficking, then issues of illegal activities going on in cantonment border areas, particularly those areas where the grey regions exist. So we, along with the SP city, Vivek sir is there, and also we are trying to incorporate the CU Smart City. We got to highlight those hotspots where these activities are on peak, and these hotspots will be identified by police. And in the meanwhile, we will try to incorporate Smart City Fund or our own CAN board funds to install the CCTV cameras here.
Katanat puli puthi ka Meghalaya kala pentikna ba kapisa na kabenta ki skul sarkar bat ki skul bala ai jingarap da ka sarkar la perlaj ha kapor ka babyang wat ha pedeng ki jing e ki ba mi teng ha ka liang ki core technology karukom trekam ka bakerpang kaput dien ya ka jing perlaj pisa ha kapor ka babyang da ka ba bishar bania man na bunai ban pentikna ba ki jing perlaj pisa ki long ki ba yat bed ya renti katanat kala persyang shibun ki lat ki lenti ban pentikna ba baro ki pisa na kabenta ki skul sarkar la dep ban perlaj krem dapan slam ki skul bayo jingarap na ka sarkar ki bayo pisa shisian ha ka lai banai la dep mang pisa hadu u banai no pra bat la pen stat ru ya ki jing perlaj pisa na ka benta chongki wat la lap ki jing thut teng na mar ka jing kala ki nong tre ka jing penya ya ki pisa baro ka we ka long ka bayat be ya renti.
This PM Poshan scheme is basically a scheme of Government of India. It's a centrally sponsored scheme which provides for meals to be given in government and government aided schools for pre-primary and for the class 1 to 8 students which are there. So basically this has been going on for quite some time, for many years. Earlier it was known as the midday meal scheme. Now it is known as the PM Poshan scheme. So more or less the facilities remain the same. The food grains are provided by the FCI, and we are from the department, from the scheme, the payments are made to FCI, and then cooking costs are provided to the school, using which they buy vegetables, they buy other things which are required for cooking, which is like cooking oil, etc., etc.
Kajing pentrekam jangka Meghalaya ya ke skim PM Portion kalau yo I ya gijing job wat lai kidang don gijing kentop ya gijing pendenkam iki dieng thang ban shet jing shet hagi babun ki skul kajela kala kiu shaprang ha gijing perlait pisa ha kapor ke babiang ban ai jing hikai palat arpau hajar ngut kinong shet jing shet bat kinong yaram kajing yo iki marbam napok kisnong kala pen yo shibun iki jing bam ki batei ha babun na ki skul ki penek pensa ya ki kper bantung ya ki chur ki batei hapo ki skul Henry kecing beteng ban chania haki dieng ban shet jing shet kadang long kecing ka bakrau ha ka ba tang khandai na kishispa ki skul ki ba pendan kam ya ka kas shet jing shet ka sarkar kadang trei ban kentiu ki lat shet jing bam ki ba kham khuj bat ban pen he ya ki jaka bam na ka benta ki khana skul lala ru ban kentiu ki jing ada jing ki mar bam bat ki jing bam ken long ki ba bha da ki jing la ban pen long ki jing churep bat pha test ya ki jing bam man la ka por.
One was regular inflow of the funds, which we have made sure, for example, in the present financial year, by the December month itself, we were able to get all 4 installments pertaining to PM Portion. So that's something which we are very happy about, and we want to continue this kind of performance. And there wasn't any delay in release of the honorariums to the cook cum helpers as well.
Ki election ki lakut ladap ru ban thep iki vote bat menta ka basa kalong tang ban pej manu balong kinong chop ha KHADC bat JHADC la kan don ke ching yo bun pai la ni ching chop duna ching ki seng manu ki ban thau ye kan huan san rap bat ki seng ayu kan san rap bat ki ne baro ki long ki ching kili ki ban sayo jubab ha ka sngi nang kong ka DD News Meghalaya kan walam shapi ya kicing tip bakan benia shapang ka result bat kicing bishar benia da ki riu shampang na ki kan huan bat ki seng san hima baper hang ni kadon kicing penbena pat ba ka ban sepen I live broadcast ha ka sngi nang kong na du kapor khandai bejemen step chaneng
Arspa nyopu arngut ki kertongขัดลายหลักพระหଜାରพระสปาขัดพระกิปาดน้องแทบวูดสันโพพระตลีกิ constituency มโนบันลองกิดคอดกิบัตทำไมฮัก HADC บัด JHADC ตัวงินยสงับลังอยากจิงยากเรนกับกระปังบัดกิริวชัมพังริงกัดบัดกิกัดตุกัดนี้กิกระเตงกิบะเป้าผาHakarinsan jangka politics. Nginyo aru ban sngap thu yaki khubor kiban sapin poi shangi na kinong ai khubor ki jongi kibadon.
Mentangin pej kecing long cingman kesin beneng hatura. Kecing kreat kalong khat nyo degree Celsius bat kecing shit kalong arposan degree Celsius. Kecing ngam ka hau menta kasngi kalong saupo na kashispa. Haba pai pat hanong ba shalong kecing kreat kalong khandai point khandai degree Celsius bat kecing shit kalong khat khandai point r degree Celsius. Kecing ngam ka hau menta kasngi kalong nyo pon riu na kashispa. Kat ba hajawai kecing kreat kalong shipo degree Celsius bat kecing shit kalong arpo r degree Celsius. Kecing ngam ka hau menta kasngi kalong san paulai na kashispa. Kasin beneng hatura bat jawai kala banrang haki babun kicaka kat ba hasilong pat kala bandon kecing hap slap ba malumala hakikat tu kat ni kicaka. Tip paralok kat tu ngila poi syaka bakut. Jong katup kubor jingi menta gajan miat hadu bangin dai syembiang bat pila syai kasngi kublai pi baron.
Continuing with Manipur, in view of the current situation in the state, DG CRPF GP Singh